We are back in action, guys. We do have the Mustang looking sexy. I ended up coming back. I think it was appropriate for me to make this video. The location where I actually got in the accident with my 2012 Mustang, and it happened right here, guys. Look at, you can still see some of the tire marks right there, and I hit, just so y'all have an idea, it was pretty steep, that ledge right there where I ran over and ended up going all the way over there. But I'm not going to talk about it. If you haven't seen the video, go ahead and check it out. Today we're talking about what it took and how long it took to get this baby back on track, and you can see she is looking pretty dang fine, guys. I do have the build list on my phone with exact prices and everything, and we're gonna go ahead and get started, guys, with the front. The front bumper was completely free. One of you guys, my subscribers, sent this out to me. Well, I actually went to go pick it up. Y'all messaged me, told me to go pick it up. Zero, guys, free right there, and that saved me like 200 bucks approximately, and it fits really, really good. The edges are nice, and I'm really glad one of you guys reached out and gave it to me, man. I really appreciate it. Pete, man, if you're watching this video, thanks a bunch, dude. It really helped out. And we do have the wheels staggered setup. We got niche wheels right here. I believe these are GT5s. I got all around. They are staggered, 10-inch in the rear, 8.5 in the front. I did get these for 700 bucks, including tires. Tires had around 8,000 miles on them, so they're fairly in good conditions. So that was a good price, 700 bucks right there for those. I did get the fender brackets, the bumper brackets right here, not the fender bracket, I'm sorry. The brackets that hold this thing right here. It kind of tore off because the guy from the towing place just tore off the bumper because he didn't want to have any issues loading it up onto his truck, and it broke the bumper. It broke he actually tore the fog light wires, the side marker wires. So he tore all that up. He messed it up for me, but we got it back up. Those bumper brackets came out to be $19, guys, off of eBay. Then I did get some rotors for $153 off of eBay as well. Calipers and rotors included. It came with brake fluid. I think it was a pretty good deal, and I've heard good reviews about them. They are like Detroit Axle or something like that. Really good. It actually cleans up the car a bunch, and you don't have that rusted look to them as well. So it looks really good, really clean. Really excited about those. We do have the tie rods. Those were back here. Those well, only on one side. This side got bent, so I ended up swapping those out with my friend Efrain. 128 bucks for those. That was pretty much like the main damage, besides the AC condenser and the radiator that is sitting behind the bumper and the grill. And the AC condenser was $65 and the radiator was 70 bucks right there. Then we move on over to the fender, the driver's side fender. That came out to be 160 bucks. It is OEM fit. Looks really good. You can't even see, you can't even tell that it was out of place. I have like bird poop there. It always happens. But it looks really good. But the major cost, guys, that like hit me hard was the paint. The paint ended up being $1,370. Yeah, that's pretty steep. I was gonna pay $700 with somebody else, and let me tell you guys what happened there. The car, we got it fixed around January, maybe like the last week of January or maybe the first week of February. It took us like 3 weeks to get her done. I messaged this guy, he was gonna paint my car. I guess there was a misunderstanding. I don't know what happened. I kept waiting a month, 2 months, so it took 3 months to get this thing running again. We are currently in April. I got her back the last week of March, so it took about 2, maybe 3 months to get her back, and I kept waiting and waiting, and the guy could just never squeeze me in to get the job done. So I ended up going with someone else. The first guy quoted me for 750 bucks, and he was gonna paint the bumper, this fender, he was gonna blend it to the back, he was gonna paint this fender as well, blend it back, and he was going to, let me show you guys, he was going to fix this scratch right here. Somebody keyed my car, and he was gonna paint all this. This just looks nasty. All that for 750 bucks, guys. That was a heck of a deal that I was gonna get, and I just could never get it, man. He was never able to squeeze me in, so I ended up going with the second guy, and that's the guy that charged me $1,370. So it's about $500 more than what I was expecting to pay. No, $600 more. So that hurt the pocket just a bit, but I'm really satisfied, guys. The car looks amazing. The paint is on point. He used actual U6 red candy paint for the car. He does have his own shop. He has his own paint shop as well, so he's able to mix the paints and get it as best as possible. And looks really good. A lot of compliments. Everybody likes the guy I went with, and I've been referring him. He is kind of on the pricey side, but he gets the job done and looks really, really good. So here you have it, man. Fully done. She looks really nice. And I also paid $86 for my seatbelt because that thing locked when I hit this. I guess it just kind of, I don't know, hit a sensor or something and the seatbelt locked. So I needed a new one, and I got that off of eBay for 86 bucks off of another totaled Mustang. So 86 bucks to get it on there. Lastly, guys, these headlights, they look amazing. They look beautiful. I don't regret them. These ended up being $280 with $13 LED headlight bulbs right there off of eBay. These are from eBay. These headlights, these are the 1314 eBay style headlights. And did I need them? No. So if I want to add them to the price of the whole complete rebuild, well, then it'll be a bit more. I didn't need them. They weren't damaged, but I do complain a lot. The Raxium headlights have poor visibility, guys. They are really bad. Probably one of the worst headlights like I've ever like messed with. And I just didn't like them at all. They look real nice, don't get me wrong. I'm not hating on Raxium. I think they have, I got the smoke version. They have like clear lens, and well, obviously I wanted the cool look smoked, and no, I went HIDs, LEDs, and never had good light output. So if you want Raxium, just be careful with the smoke ones, because no matter what you try, man, I tried the good brand, the cheap brand, all types of LEDs and HIDs, never worked. I had those headlights for about 4 years. I kept with it. And well, I paid the price. I couldn't see at night. I ran over this right here, ended up over there, and that's what it is. But these were $280, man, and they look super good. So I might end up doing what everybody else does also, is getting that DRL LED board on these right here with the halo. Just a little bit cooler with the Bluetooth. It'll look real nice. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Here's a full walk around of the car. It's not missing anything. Look at that. I'm gonna paint the calipers, I think, yellow, just so they can stand out a bit. Let me know on that. But here you have it, man. Looks really good. Nothing was wrong with the rear. It was on the front. But man, love it. Love to have her back. I still need to add the RTR stripe on the other one. I need to get them off of eBay, but I might strip it off, and I'm gonna paint correct the car before trying to slap on the stripes. There's changes coming, man. Changes are coming. And one thing that has caught my attention is that a lot of you guys are saying or commenting and even telling me through Instagram, boost the car, boost it. Guys, you guys do realize boosting the car is around like 5 to 6K, even for the V6. Like, and I've looked into it, and trust me, I really would. But I made a promise to you guys, well, and I set a goal, and I said we were gonna get a 5.0. So everything I've been saving up to this point, trying to get the 5.0 is there. So I don't know, man. Let me know. Do you guys think I should disregard and not get the 5.0 right now? Because if I boost the car, that's a huge setback. It's gonna push me back from getting the 5.0. And I do realize boosting the car is awesome, man. It's hella nice because there's not a lot of boosted V6s out there, or at least like on social media platforms like on YouTube and stuff like that. So boosting the car would be pretty cool. I can bring a lot of content, especially messing with the V8s. And I've already thought of something. If I end up boosting this car, I already know that like the custom license plate I would want to get for it. It gets me really excited though, because and you guys motivate me, because that means you guys are engaged in my videos and you guys want to see that. And I like doing stuff that you guys want to see. You know, this is entertainment, man. I started doing this really at a point when I was halfway done with the car, and I was really shy talking to the camera. And look at me now, I'm just like talking to you guys like directly, and just having the ability to talk to you guys and back and forth, especially the ones who message me like on Instagram. We have conversations. I already made friends with some of you guys who are across the United States, man. I'm from Texas, and I made friends from New York, from Ohio. Jay, man, if you're watching this, I talk to him like on a weekly basis through Snapchat. We just talk about cars. He has a V6, super clean V6, man. And yeah, man, I mean, this is what the platform is about. This is what being in a car community is about. Just making friends, networking, getting ideas, helping each other out. And I mean, she's brought that to me, man, on the channel, and I'm real thankful that I've been able to had that friendship and network with you guys. So I honestly appreciate it, guys. I tell you guys all the time, I'm super thankful for you guys, for your support, for everything, man. Much love, because without you guys like motivating me, I wouldn't be able to push out these videos. I work a full-time job, so making videos is really hard, and I have a wife, I have a baby. We're currently trying to get a house as well, so that's why it's really hard to just jump in and boost the car, jump and get a 5.0, because there's plans that I do have, and I have goals just like you guys do. And let me tell you one thing, guys. I don't want to be like that inspirational guy, but don't let anybody tell you that you can't do anything, man. Because a lot of people who were commenting or sending me a message through Instagram the day that I crashed the car, some of you were saying the car's gone, the car's totaled, it was gonna be 5-6K to get the car fixed. Guys, it didn't even take 5-6K to get it done. Okay, the price went up just a bit because I needed to get the paint done and I was desperate for the car, so I ended up forking over the extra money. I mean, I could have gone probably somewhere else and waited another month, and it would have been cheaper, and maybe a cheaper job. Like, it wouldn't be as good quality as what I got here. But I wanted the car back, and I spent the extra money, and the result is here. The car is back, finished. Now we can move on with the build, keep modding the car, buying stuff for the car. But don't let anybody tell you can't do something. I've had several people send me messages that they totaled their car, and they're worried because it was gonna be super expensive and stuff. And I told them, you know what, dude? No, attempt it. I knew nothing about rebuilding a car. Super thankful for my friend Efrain. He helped me out with that. He's more of a mechanic when it comes to cars, and he helped me out a bunch. Without him, I don't think I would have been able to do it as well. So he helped out a bunch. He did like 70-80% of the work, and I did like the rest of it. Like, I was pretty much just a road runner, getting all the parts in, and he was like taking over everything. So labor helped me out a lot. My insurance company, or Ford, they quoted for the car to be fixed at $11,000, and we ended up fixing the car off, guys. Let me check. Well, the labor was free, right? It was $3,199, full price with everything I mentioned. You can deduct $280 if you want, not counting the lights, because the lights weren't involved in the accident, like that where they got damaged. They're right there, nothing wrong with them, just poor visibility. But it was $3,199 with everything included. And some of you guys were saying, or I don't know if the ones who were subscribed might have been just a hater, it was gonna be 5K, 6K, and dang, man. When I would read those comments, I was kind of disappointed. You know, I was like getting unmotivated. I was like, damn, man, did I lose the car? And it would have been really easy just to let the car go and just get a new car, you know? But I went ahead and said, you know what, screw it. I talked to my mom, my parents. My mom was like, do it, man. Don't let the car go. You put in too much work. My wife was like, no, fix it, man. You started a YouTube channel with it, your Instagram, all your shows. Everybody knows your car. So I went ahead and did it, and the car is done, man. So there's not much to say anymore. She's here. She's finished. Better things, bigger things coming, guys. I do have you guys into consideration when y'all tell me to pro charge the car or boost the car. If I end up boosting the car, guys, I already know which turbo. Single turbo, AMR, Auto Mafia Racing. If you guys can give me a discount code, or if anybody's watching this video, you want to work with me and try to set something up for my V6 3.7 right here, more than glad. I would appreciate that. If you guys know anybody there could hook it up or something with a discount code, because they are pricey, I'd be willing to work with it and bring it to reality, boosting my car. Between bags and boost, I think the boost is the better idea that I'd like to do. I mean, just imagine just this thing kicking butt. The guy I mentioned a while ago, Jay, he has his 3.7 boosted. That guy's wrecking. He's gapping California specials, 5.0s, like, and not stock 5.0s. Like, he's gapping some good 5.0s. He has other mods to his car, but dang, man. Imagine just boosting this baby right here. But I'm gonna wrap it up here, guys. I hope you guys found the video informative. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I keep trying to bring you guys content. I've been really busy lately, and I'm still trying to push content for you guys, just because, you know, like, you guys are my subscribers. I hit 1,500 subscribers. Last year I started, and we hit 1,000 by the end of the year. My goal was to hit 1,500 at the end of this year. We're not even halfway through the year, and we're at 1,500 already, 500 subscribers more. So those of you who are watching, thank you all for jumping on and following the build. Truly appreciate it, man. And I mean, let's try to hit 2,000 by the end of the year. That would be awesome. 2,000. Heck, my 2,500. We can hit 2,500. I wouldn't mind 2,500 either. I appreciate all the support, all the love, guys. If you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button, guys. Like the video, leave a comment down below, say what's up. I'll catch you guys on the next one. God bless.